Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Metahero daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, where we're going, and the best buying strategy. Before we begin, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description box and in the comment section. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits through an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. Also, you will get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, and many more benefits. So try it out, and of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go and review quickly into a non-biased technical analysis. We are going to do a non-biased TA on the Metahero. Okay. So right now you can see that from yesterday we went so higher. You can see that we had like a break above situation right there, and we almost approached the second target that we had, the 27.6. Okay, right now you can see that we are going sideways. We corrected here in the yesterday actually, or today on the last 4-hour frames, 8 hours before. You can see that I am on the 4-hour time frame. This means that each candlestick contains 4 hours of price action. So you can see right here we dropped minus 80.20%, and in this candle we are already in minus 7%. Should we worry about that right now? Not at all. Okay, you can see that back then we went minus 8%, then we had this inverted hammer candlestick bullish pattern right here, you can see, and then from there we even went upwards. But at the same time, if you go to the 4-hour frame and see the RSI, we have a bearish RSI Divergence, and that's why you should be careful on the short term. Okay, you can see that we went higher, we have a lower high pattern on the RSI, but in the price we have a higher high. Okay, and I'm going just to delete a little bit, remove this or everything so you can see it more clearly. So higher high in the price and the lower high pattern in the RSI. This is a clear bearish RSI Divergence. Is that something we have to worry about it for the midterm? No, it isn't strong when we see it on the 4-hour frame. But if we had the same pattern on the daily frame, for example, here, then we could say that we have a very strong bearish pattern. It is different if you see it on the 4-hour frame other than on the daily or on the weekly frame. For example, when you see it on the weekly frame, like ADA, that had a bearish RSI Divergence on the weekly frame for quite some time right now, then you know that this is more actually bearish than the 4-hour frame bearish RSI Divergence. Okay, so we shouldn't worry about, but we need to see some best buying entries. Okay, so we are going to draw the Fibonacci from this bottom to this top right there, and you can see that the best buying entry for me would be around here if you want in the midterm. Okay, so you can still buy Hero if you want to hold it on the midterm. That's more than 1 week. That's around 2 to 3 months in my mind. Okay, so the midterm applies to like 2-3 months. Have in your mind around this period, and I think that it can go further upwards. In the meantime though, on the short term, you should be paying attention to this target, and we should be seeing if 20-day EMA, exponential moving average, this yellow line, is a strong support level, because we might be testing that. You can see that we have to test it from 28 November. There we had like a very nice bullish confirmation, then we went upwards. At the same time though, as we are going higher, we need to confirm that we have the 20-day EMA as a support level again. So I would say pay attention to the 0.22 around there, 44, and the 0.23 cents. Okay, so pay attention to these prices right there, and from there it is very possible that we can go even higher. But for the time being, if you want to trade it for the short term, if you want to make quick profits, then I suggest you to wait a little bit. Or if you want to buy, then if we close above this price line right here, which is around let's say 26 cents, 0.26. If we close above this line, then we can go to the next targets, which can be even the 30 cents. But if we close only above this line, if we do not, then we won't make it, okay? And pay attention to the 23 and 22 cents. Do not buy yet in this area, as we might go a little bit further down due to the bearish RSI Divergence. Better pay attention to the closing above condition rather than those targets right here, because in case we lose the 20-day EMA, we can even go to the 21 cents. Will this be bearish for Hero? Not at all, but every altcoin in a healthy market needs to consolidate for quite some time. It needs to correct for a little bit so it can go further upwards. This is the healthy crypto market. This is something you want. Corrections are good and healthy for a market. Okay, they are not bad. It is just that we do not have the patience to just accept the fact that crypto market and all the markets need to correct after huge pump ups. Okay, it is the rules of our system right there, of the trading, and we have to accept that. We have to know that on the corrections, on the major corrections, this is where we buy more, this is where we make the real money. Next price targets, if we close above the 26, you can see the 30 cents for sure, and the targets we had from yesterday, 27.6, is still in play for sure. And you can see that right now, even though we have this huge correction, it is not something that it is bearish as we had it before as well. And before we close the video, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. Try it out. You can cancel anytime you like, but you won't regret it. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.